Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2 hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. And our prompts for card 16 is orange. And I'm in Christmas mode, but this candle looks orange to me and it's got the orange flame, so I'm going to use that. I used a puppy dog the last time. This time I'm going to use a kitty cat. Vintage. The image is vintage, but I'm also going to do a wax seal, and that is a vintage type of thing to do. Script, I've got my script stamp and paint splatter, and we'll probably use some more of these distress mica stains of Tim Holtz, and I may use a little bit of gold ink as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge too to see what everyone else has made. It's been a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I really love how it turned out. I've got my orange in the candle and the flame. I've got vintage with the wax seal and the image. I've got my script in the background, and I've got splatters. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge too. So until next time, bye y'all.